to you food delivery application. Okay, so you already must be aware with the Zomato, Swiggy in India. They are a food delivery application. So similar to them, you can also start your own food delivery business. Okay, so this is how you can place the order. Now I'm quickly log out and going to logging as a owner. Okay, so as a owner, you will have leverage. You will have facility to browse all the orders, the live orders, which has come through. Okay, so you can even get notified by the web notification if you wish on Chrome, and then the new order and the accepted order and the done order. Okay, so all this information you can as a restaurant owner you can see. The restaurant owner can see everything. So here is a live order also one can see, and here is the orders which already different orders with a different status. You can even filter out with the name, date, and etc. And also with the driver as well. So client by customer as well, and you can put all the offerings here in menu, and restaurant information you can fill up here, different working hours, different details, restaurant management, restaurant allocation, and the owner details, and then the main menu you can put different menus on offering. So you can put different kind of menu item, different kind of food item that you wish to actually place to get the order for. And then the finances, you can see some of the orders, etc. As soon you start taking the order as a restaurant, you will see all the update here. So it's for the restaurant owner, you got a beautiful dashboard with some key data on dashboard itself, and then the chart, etc. So it's pretty much useful through the admin panel. Okay, so here is the demo admin details, and let's browse and let's see what's inside. So you got pretty much some insight here. So you got some orders, total order details, total sales volume and the views and the restaurants and the delivery fees, etc. So, and also you will get to know, live location, okay, Google, from the Google Map. So Google Map is actually currently not working. It will come through the Google API, and then here you beautiful chart you are getting from the data already inside the application. So here you got the orders, all the orders you can list out here. You can even filter with the different filters from the date to date, from the by the restaurant, then the clients, by the driver, and also have you got the privilege to track live orders. Okay, so live orders coming, new orders, and then accepted and etc. In drivers module, you can manage the drivers, and you can add the different drivers, add new drivers, and can manage existing one as well. And then the clients, in clients you got the clients details. Clients means the customer that are actually placing the orders. And then the restaurant you will have you can list out the, you can add different restaurants, and you can even import them from the CSV as well. So here is the review. In reviews you will have option to manage the reviews and see the existing reviews. And cities, you can put the cities names, etc. And some of the static pages for the terms and conditions, how it was, partners, etc. Then the finances, we will getting this updated when the new orders coming through and delivery going through. You can also set the commission structure for the, your with the, your restaurant and margin, etc. Then you can put some of the details, key configuration here for the SMTP for mail handling, the database to get the database, I think connection, etc. And you will get all the information to configure by yourself for the logo, branding, etc. for the cover page, etc. You got pretty much to configure as an admin. You will have a full access. Let's log out and quickly go through the driver, the remaining one control panel. So the driver, just put the demo details here, demo details, and you logged in as a driver. Now you can see all the orders coming through, and you can as a driver you can pick any order, and start once you pick up the status will be changed. So basically it's a very complete, you can say, the application, okay, for the management of for getting into the business of delivery, food delivery basically. So you can have this web application. Along with this, it also will have mobile application for different for driver, for customer, and a responsive way for the mobile view. Okay, so this is coming in one package, and this these coming particular driver and customer application coming in a different package. So all the details I will mention there in the description. You can go through and go through the demo, and if you need any help in customization and installation, remember all our premium services with me, so you can ask me for the customization and the installation as well. All will be paid services. So the one last thing I wanted to show you is the responsiveness, how it will looks like in mobile view. So I can show you in right here in the Chrome. You can see the how it will look like in your iPhone. So here is the view. Okay, so you can see the view of the same application in mobile. So it is completely responsive web design and front end, so it will get aligned with all the screen size. Okay, so thank you for watching.